Your brain has two main thinking speeds. One is super fast, like a speedy race car. The other is slow and careful, like a detective. Our fast brain works automatically, without us trying. It helps us do simple tasks quickly, like catching a ball. Or knowing how to ride a bike without thinking. Our slow brain takes effort and helps us concentrate. Like building a house, plan first. Know where you are going. Do important things before fun ones. Tackle your biggest rock first. Prioritize your tasks for success. Habits 1 to 3 help you win personally. You become strong and responsible. This builds your inner power. Everyone can get what they want. Find solutions good for all. It's not me or you, but us. Listen carefully before speaking. Try to understand their feelings. Then, share your own thoughts. Working together creates more. Your team is stronger combined. 2 heads are better than 1. Habits 4 to 6 help you win with others. You build trust in teamwork. Everyone wins, together, happily. Take time to care for yourself. Rest your body, calm your mind. Keep your tools sharp and ready. These 7 habits help you succeed. They make you strong and kind. Practice daily to grow. You now know the secrets. Use these habits every day. Go be an amazing, effective kid.